Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Paneer tikkas, tandoori, chicken tikkas or veggie tikkas, they are all popular across the globe. So today I'm going to show you how to make potato haryali tikka, that is haryali aloo tikka. And it's very easy to make at home, so let's get started. The ingredients to make this haryali aloo tikka are, I need some mint leaves or pudina, some cilantro leaves, I have some lemon juice or lime juice, green chilies, I have a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of ginger, some salt, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of jeera powder, a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Then I have 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of tikka masala, or you can use any tandoori masala. I have some mustard oil. This is 1 or 1.5 teaspoons of mustard oil. I have chickpeas or besan. This is just 2 tablespoons. And then I have some vegetables chopped, that is green bell peppers, red bell peppers. These are the baby potatoes that are boiled because it's easy to cook if they are boiled. And these are the onions that I have roughly chopped into squares. To make the batter for the tikkas, I need to first put these mint leaves into this blender. So after the mint leaves, I put some cilantro, and we are going to make a thick paste and add very little water if needed. I also add the lime juice, the green chilies, garlic, ginger, and I'm going to also add all the masalas now. That's the salt, cumin powder, red chili powder, the tikka masala, and now I'm going to blend all this together to make a fine paste. Our green chutney is now ready. So we have this green chutney that we made out of all the spices, mint and cilantro. Now I'm going to add some besan or chickpeas flour and mix all this together. After adding besan and mixing everything well, I'm adding this mustard oil that I just heated. So it releases the smoky flavor. And I mix all this together. And now I'm going to add these baby potatoes and the bell peppers as well. Some red bell peppers and some onions. And I'm going to very carefully mix all this together so it doesn't break. And I'm going to coat the whole chutney on these vegetables. Our marinade is all ready. And I have these wooden skewers. You can also use metal skewers, but I have these wooden skewers that I soaked it in water for a few hours so it doesn't get burnt when you put it in the oven. And I'm going to slowly put it inside this skewer, and you can layer it with 1 onion, potato, and another red bell pepper, a green bell pepper, and another potato, very carefully because the potatoes are a little soft. You can also do some variations by adding mushrooms or paneer, but I just chose to make it simple with potatoes. So as you can see, the skewer is ready, and I just place it on this dish over here, and I'm going to make similar skewers with the rest of these sticks. Our skewers are now ready, and you can broil it in the oven for about 10 minutes, and make sure you continuously roll these like this so it gets evenly cooked on all sides. And you can also grill it on the gas or a tawa if you want to. I'm just going to put this in this mini griller or oven and set it on broil for about 10 minutes and then recheck. So you can see our tikkas are broiling, and I'm just brushing a little bit of oil, and I'm going to turn these as well. Our tandoori aloo tikkas are now done, as you can see. So I'm just going to take these out. So I just take these out very carefully on this platter. As you can see, our paneer tikkas are here. I have some freshly squeezed lime juice that I can just sprinkle on this little bit to give that sour flavor. And I can also sprinkle some chaat masala. This is optional, but it just gives that flavor. And you can see this looks so delicious, and it's very easy to make at home. Our delicious Haryali aloo tikka is now ready. Hope you enjoyed this with your family and friends at home, and do share your comments when you make it. Do subscribe to my channel, and till next time, bye bye.